walls are turning out great. This is what separates the living area from the sleeping area in the back. And as you can see, I've painted the walls black. It's a color called tricorn black, and it's made by Sherwin-Williams, and it's hands down our favorite black color we've ever found. And anything you see in here that is painted black is all painted with that exact same color. So the shiplap's looking awesome, the trim is looking great. I am gonna stop at this point though, because I wanna wait for all the cabinets to be put in place down below before I start moving any further down. But the most important thing is, I am starving. So I'm gonna jump on the e-bike and I'm gonna go eat some chicken tendies. Back home now, I'm feeling much better. Let's get back into business. If you remember in the last video, I promised to show you how we built these bunk beds with the storage underneath. So let's go back into time and show you exactly how we did that. As you can see, I took the base of the bed and I ripped it to where these hinges could sit flush against the back wall. These are just simple door hinges that you could buy at any big box store. It's super simple process. It hinges right up, and I built these boxes underneath for storage, as you can see. And right here, you can probably put some shoes or whatever. But I like it. So I'm gonna continue on to the next bunk up top. So that's gonna wrap it up for this week's video. Everything is turning out awesome. It's really cool to see the bus kind of come to life. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and that bell notification so you don't miss out on a single part of this build. And just a little sneak peek for the next one. That's right, we got some cabinets being built. See you then.